I mean, it's impossible not to be nervous, but I felt like I was prepared. The topic was a question about nature, which was maybe a strike of good luck, but no, it was preparation. I always say there's not such thing as good luck. There's preparation meets opportunity. And then the topic was something about nature, and I had work on a topic like that like the week before. So everything was so fresh on my mind that I felt so confident to answer all these questions. And when it was time for the writing, I was just following the template, and that structure approach is really good for me because it
I
helped me get what I wanted.